Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you update to iOS 14 your iPhone 7 and you have problems with your battery, so your battery drains really fast. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing this error you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here screen time. So just open screen time and just turn it off. If it turn on, just turn it off. So sometimes it also helps because really this option takes a lot of your battery. So here you can see just tap here turn off screen time and just fix like this. So another thing you need to check is just to go to the general, and in the general you need to find here background app refresh. So just turn off here because it takes a lot of your battery too. So just turn off, so just go here, and if it turn on just tap here and choose turn off. So and also you can just make your phone less brightness, so just swipe up and just try to make your display less brightness. So sometimes it also helps to make your phone works longer without charging. So just try these three methods. I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.